Today I am going to embroider this simple flower design. I'll begin with this stem. I am going to do simple stem stitch. The thread should be on your left hand side. Take small stitches. I have taken a shaded green thread. After completing this stem, I will do the sleeves using satin stitch. Simple satin stitch for filling in. For this also, I am going to use the same shaded green thread. The shaded green thread I am going to use for this too. Don't leave too much gap between two stitches. This is how I will fill in. For doing the petals of this flower, I have taken a shaded blue thread and I am going to do long and short stitch. Begin from here, start from the center. A simple stitch for filling in. After completing this half of the petal, I will again begin from the center to complete this half. This is a shaded blue thread. That is all. For this part of the flower, I am going to do satin stitch. I am going to fill this up using satin stitch. Simple satin stitch I will do. That's all. After completing these two, this line over here, I am going to do chain stitch. Simple chain stitch for this line over here. Take small stitches, the thread round the needle, that's all. For doing these two, I have taken again the shaded green thread. For the top, I am going to do French knot. Put the needle down. And for the rest of it, just start from here. Simple stem stitch. Simple stem stitch I am going to do for this. That's all. The same thing I am going to do for the second one also. I will do the same stitches for this flower also, but I am going to use a pink shaded thread. Again, I will start from the center of the petal. The same stitches, the long and short stitch. I have taken a shaded pink thread. That's all, the same thing. After completing all the petals, I am going to take white thread and I will do the border of each petal using stem stitch. Simple stem stitch. That is all. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video, then kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.